Welcome to CourseTrailers.com. We provide educational information in short video snippets, presenting troubleshooting and debugging techniques, offered by Google on the Coursera education platform. This course is part of the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. What you will learn in this course: analyze real-world IT problems and implement the appropriate strategies to solve those problems. Demonstrate techniques to quickly find and solve the root cause of problems in IT infrastructure. Understand the root cause for problems related to speed, crashes, or exhausted resources in your computer. Identify the most common pitfalls of your code and how to fix them. This course will take you approximately 19 hours to complete and earn your course diploma. We go in depth into each of the courses that make up this professional certificate in additional videos that you can find below in the links and description area of this video. Be sure to check them out for more information.
Your instructors for this professional certificate will be from Google. Google Career Certificates are part of Grow with Google, an initiative that draws on Google's 20-year history of building products, platforms, and services that help people and businesses grow. Through programs like these, Google aims to help everyone, those who make up the workforce of today and the students who will drive the workforce of tomorrow.
Let's review the publicly available course syllabus. A total of 4 weeks of class make up this course. Your first week will be troubleshooting concepts. In this module, you'll be introduced to the fundamentals of troubleshooting, and you'll learn different strategies and approaches to tackle problems that you might encounter. You'll learn about the concept of debugging and how debugging is one of the core principles of troubleshooting. You'll be introduced to some tools that will help you in the debugging process, like tcpdump, ps, top, itrace, and lots more. Next, you'll explore how to understand the problem. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's not as easy as you might think. Next, we'll dive into the different approaches when troubleshooting reproducing errors versus intermittent errors. Finally, you'll learn about binary searching a problem. We'll explore the different types of searches, including binary and linear searches. Then, we'll learn about the concept of bisecting and how it can be used in your troubleshooting approach, and finish up with finding invalid data in a CSV file. Your second week will be slowness. In this module, you'll learn about what factors can cause a machine or program to act slowly. You'll dive into ways of addressing slowness by identifying the bottleneck that might be causing the slowness. You'll learn about tools to identify which resources are being exhausted, including IATOP, IFTOP, and Activity Monitor in macOS. Next, you'll learn how computers use resources and understand the differences between CPU, RAM, and cache in order to help you find the possible causes for slowness in our machines or scripts. Next up, you'll learn how to write efficient code, then explore profilers to help you identify where your code is spending most of its time. Next, you'll dive into data structures and understand which ones are right for you to use. These include lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and expensive loops. Then, you'll dive into complex slowness problems and how utilizing concurrency and adding a caching service can improve the execution of your code. Finally, you'll understand how using threads can make the execution of your code much quicker.
Your third week will be crashing programs. In this module, you'll get introduced to the age-old question, why has my program crashed? You'll learn how to troubleshoot system crashes and application crashes, what tools you can be used to help identify the cause of the crash, and what log files to look at in order to find what might have gone wrong. Next, you'll dive into investigating why code crashes and what you can do to prevent that from happening. Then, you'll explore what happens when an unhandled error occurs and throws an exception. You'll learn about the printf debugging technique, which will help you identify these errors and exceptions. Finally, you'll explore the concept of handling crashes and incidents at a much larger scale. You'll delve into a scenario where a large e-commerce site will throw an error 20% of the time. Once that issue has been fixed, you'll understand the importance of communication and documentation during these incidents and how writing a post-mortem can prevent issues from happening again. Your fourth week will be managing resources. In this module, you'll learn how to manage your applications. You'll dive into some common issues that may cause your application to crash. You'll also understand what memory leaks are and how to troubleshoot and prevent them. Up next, you'll run down managing disk space. You'll see some scenarios of how this happens and how to identify what process or application is taking up all your disk space. Then, you'll learn what network saturation is, how it can be caused, and some useful tools and techniques to solve a network saturation problem. Next, we'll shift from managing applications to managing your time. You'll get tips on how to prioritize tasks, estimate how long a particular task will take before finishing, and communicate expectations when dealing with important tasks. The final lesson delves into how to deal with hard and complex problems by breaking it down into small, digestible chunks while keeping your eyes on a clear goal. You'll learn that using proactive approaches, like continuous integration, can help you with future issues that might come up. You'll also explore how to plan for future resource usage by making good use of monitoring.
As you can see here, this is a very highly rated course. There are over 380 reviews, with an average of 4.6 stars out of 5. That should give you great confidence that you will be getting one of the best courses in this area of study.
Start learning today. When you enroll, you will have access to education taught by top companies and universities. Affordable programs. Apply your skills with hands-on projects. Learn on your own schedule. Course videos and readings. Graded quizzes and assignments. No degree or experience required for many programs. Shareable certificate upon completion. Once you complete each course in this professional certificate, you will receive a course certificate. You can share your course certificates in the certification section of your LinkedIn profile and showcase what your hard work earned you. From all of us at CourseTrailers.com, we sincerely hope you found this information helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving this video a thumbs up. To learn more about many other online courses, certificates, specializations, and much more, check out our other videos. Enjoy!